guys, it's elephant slimes, and today we are
going to be restocking our slime business. Not with slimes.
We're not restocking it. We're just going to show you. We went to the Dollar Tree and we found some pretty bomb stuff.
For $1.
For $1.
Like we got this huge bag for $1.
Well, it was actually like,
I mean, not for $1, but like, no, this
everything inside the bag was like $1.
Oh, look, I did not even notice that.
Oh, yeah. I have a giant white slime here.
These are actually really good mailers.
So they're bubble mailers. So the first thing we got was, this is a pack of 2 bubble mailers. This is a pack of 2 bubble mailers. This is a pack of 1 bubble mailer.
A big giant bubble mailer. Then we got some containers, which are not
They're just for the small slimes.
This is also for packaging.
Wait, let me show you. So this is like confetti or foil shreds is what they call it. Wait, let me see the let me see these. These are our containers.
I don't want to get. Okay, so then we got some bubble wrap.
Yeah, we got some cushion wrap. Here,
wait, let me see this. So then we got
some spin pops for extras. Go follow us on Instagram.
We got some erasers for extra. And if you're wondering, I do own this slime business.
Yeah, I'm like the co-owner, sort of. And then we got some stamps for extras.
Then we got some bubble gum for extras. It's sour.
Crybaby bubble gum.
We got some Dum Dums for extras.
Dum Dums. We got some Smarties. And we got some charms. We got some Valentine's Day charms. They're actually table scatters. But this is a pack of 50. So these can be charms for Valentine's Day.
We got some
apple cinnamon scent. This is all from the Dollar Tree.
We got some extra bags.
Treat bags with zip seal for Valentine's Day.
And the last but not least, we got glitter, Valentine's Day glitter. Awesome. There's these really, really pretty glitters. So I get to play with my glitter. That's all.
Let me make sure
that's all my dad's stuff.
Yeah, and her dad also went shopping.
We're gonna organize this.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm gonna tell Lola where I want everything.
Because I'm like the co-owner.
Can you go wash your hands because they can't have me messy? Okay. Okay, anyways. So I'm gonna put everything where it needs to go.
No, I'm gonna do that.
This scent should go in here, so I'm gonna take this scent out. Look how nice this is packaged.
Yeah, so Dollar Tree scents. Wait, we have to open it and smell it. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. So that'll be probably for a Valentine's Day slime. Right, Maggie?
Yeah.
And it'll probably be, we might restock we're only selling 1 of each slime unless we tell otherwise. So like I said, I think I said, go follow Elephant Slimes on Instagram. Elephant_slimes 31, or is it 37?
31.
Let me look at our business.
It's 31. Okay. Yeah, there. It's 31 because I knew it because it's my birthday.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Fun fact, we were born in the same year, but 7 days apart. She's older by 7 days.
Yeah, I was born on Halloween and she was born
November 7th.
Yes.
So we were born a week apart.
And these are Valentine's Day stamps. So there's a cat, there's hearts, there's a card. Ew.
What?
Why is there a card? The heart on my face. Ew.
Dollar Tree is very confusing sometimes.
And there's another heart.
So, yeah.
And there's one. I think there's, yeah, this is an 8-piece pack set thing.
Let me see.
It is. Plus I counted them. Okay, so I'm gonna get these erasers out.
So yeah, she's gonna do all the unpacking, and I'm gonna do all the organizing.
I mean, actually, I kind of have to tell her where to like put stuff because
this is my first day on the job.
Yep. I really want you spilling on it.
I don't want to.
But then we would make so much slime tomorrow.
just make some right now.
Maybe. Well, I don't have a bunch of gallons right now.
I just make a small numbers. I want to make this like small slime.
I'll think about it, maybe.
What?
I'll think about it, maybe.
So right now on our Instagram, we're selling slimes, and all slimes are 15 to 50% off.
I don't know yet.
Because it's like Valentine's.
Every
The month of Valentine's Day.
and it's
Groundhog's Day.
no, it's because we just started
Yeah.
our business. My business.
Our business. We need to make an cinnamon sign or Valentine's Day sign.
No eating your candy on the job. Okay.
Unless I brought my own.
Yeah.
I got some while we were at the store. What a dollar to if you're looking for some slime supplies. What is a dollar to you?
No, in fact, we have a slime business. Like I mentioned.
Yeah, we were planning to go to the Dollar Tree all night, and we finally did. We even had
A list.
Employee of the Month.
And we have the owner. I'll show you.
No, I'll show you.
Okay.
Give me my phone.
So she's the employee of the month. We only have 2 people working right now. So yeah, she's obviously the employee of the month because we don't have 2 people working. Then I'm the manager, boss / owner. So yeah, every month we have a new.
So this is
Employee
not
of the
one of the slimes that we're selling in our shop here.
Maybe.
It may be.
It's so good for your Etsy account. For what?
I'm not keeping up with Etsy.
I have to.
Yeah, I'm just keeping up with our Instagram.
Or I'll make you keep it. I'm putting it in.
So if we soften this slime up, it is like supposed to be a clear slime, but it's not really a clear slime because we added so much glitter.
We got way more stuff than we expected.
We only got $1 over budget.
Yeah, we took a bunch of stuff out.
Only like 2 things, actually. We went $1 over budget because I bought my own candy.
This is worse than earlier.
Okay, so guys, we hope to see you soon. We love you very much.
So much.
So much. And yeah, this is probably not going to be one of the slimes in our shop.
Maybe.
Or on our Instagram.
It might be like one of these bad slimes that we're going to have to say. Like, just bad slimes, whatever.
Yeah, trashy slime.
And like, you only get these like extras if you're like ordering like.
One slime. If
Or,
you're
like-
ordering one slime,
No. If you're ordering like 3 or more slime, 2 or more slimes, then you get like one of these extras.
and then you'll get one more extra.
But then if you order like just like 2 slimes, you get just.
So let me see.
This is actually good.
We're probably gonna replace the chocolate in that extra bag with some of our candy because chocolate melts in shipping.
Yeah, we didn't get chocolate, but it's still delicious.
Because chocolate melts in shipping.
I just have to take this off.
So yeah, that's basically what supplies we got for our shop. I would like to thank Fun with Maggie for this.
Good job.
For the job. This is like a butter slime, sort of. Right?
Yeah.
It's like a butter slime, sort of.
And here's my logo. Y'all want? I just got a pack of stickers. There's my logo. It's just elephant slimes. But that name was only taken on Instagram. So I did bring it to episode 31.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to me because this is the channel that it's going up on. It's going up on my channel. Because yeah, it's going up on my channel, which is this channel. So subscribe, hit that like button, turn on that notification bell to become the newest member of the Lola Squad. And become the newest member of the Notification Squad.
What just said?
Highlighters.
Who cares about highlights?
So, yeah. I'm going to do some ASMR with this butter slime. And then I'll leave, okay? It's not part of the ASMR, by the way.
Okay, no. What was that? I'll be right back.
Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm gonna